Hello, welcome back to this channel. I'm Marcus. In this video, you will learn integration by algebraic substitution. Okay, this method is used when basic integration formulas are not directly applicable, just like with integration by parts. Okay, this technique, algebraic substitution technique or method, is applied to problems where the integrands are in radical form. Okay, the main objective is the removal of the radical by substituting a new variable of integration. Okay? So let's illustrate this by example. Okay? So number one, let's say the integral of square root of x dx over 1 plus x. Okay? So ang sabi, this algebraic substitution is applied to integrands which are in radical form. Okay? So dito, in this case, meron tayong radical dyan. And the main objective is the removal of the radical, okay, by substituting a new variable of integration. In this integral, the variable of integration is x. So we need a new variable of integration. Let's say z, okay? C equals the square root of x. So z is the new variable of integration. So if I'm going to square both sides, so c squared equals x. Differentiating, we have 2z dz equals dx. Okay? Then going back here, so this is equal to the integral of substitute. Square root of x is equal to z. dx is 2z dz over 1 plus x, and x is c squared. Okay? So this is now equal to 2 times the integral of c squared dz over 1 plus c squared. Okay, using long division, let's divide c squared over c squared plus 1. Okay. C squared divided by c squared is 1. 1 times c squared. Okay, 1 times 1 plus 1. Subtract. C squared minus c squared, 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So we have minus 1 over c squared plus 1. Okay? So ito, i-rewrite lang natin. So we have this equal to c squared. Okay? C squared dz over 1 plus c squared is equal to 2 times the integral of 1 minus 1 over c squared plus 1. Okay? Times dz. Okay. Next. So we have 2 times the integral of dc. Okay. Or ito na lang. So we have the integral of dz. Okay. Minus the integral of dz over c squared plus 1. Okay. Yep. So now this is equal to 2z minus 2 times ito ay arctangent, no? So we have here, itong part na to, u is equal to z. A is 1, okay? Or a square is 1, a is also 1. Square root of 1 is 1, okay? So ayan. So arctangent, so we have 1, okay, 1 over a. So arctangent is 1 over a. Ito dapat yan. Arctangent of u over a. So kung nakalimutan nyo na yung inverse trigonometric integrals, meron tayong video niya, no? Pwede nyo balikan. Okay? So ito ay arctangent. So 1 over 1. Sulat na rin natin, no? 1 over a. So 1 over 1. 1 over 1. Okay? Times the arctangent of u. U is z. Okay? Z. Z over 1 plus c. Okay? So this is equal to 2z minus 2 times arctangent of z plus c. Now, hindi pa tayo tapos dyan, ano? Kasi z yan. So, babalik natin yan sa original. Yung variable na x, no? So, kailangan natin x. So, z is equal to here, no? C is equal to square root of x. So, ibabalik natin siya dyan, no? So, c is equal to square root of x. So 2 times the square root of x minus 2 times arctangent of square root of x plus c. Now, this is the final answer by using algebraic substitution. Okay? Yep. I hope it is clear. Okay. Number 2. The integral of x cubed dx over the square root of x squared minus 4. Okay, so this is equal to x squared times x dx over the square root of x squared minus 4. Okay, so again, we need a new variable of integration. Let's say z is equal to the square root of x squared minus 4. Squaring both sides, we have c squared is equal to x squared minus 4. In differentiating, we have 2z dz equals 2x dx, or cancel yung 2. So z dz equals x dx. And also from here, solving for x squared, okay, x squared is equal to c squared plus 4. Transposing negative 4 to the other side. Okay, now, so here, so our writing, we have x squared times x dx over the square root of x squared minus 4. This is equal to x squared. What is x squared? X squared is c squared plus 4. The integral of c squared plus 4. And x dx is this, c dz. Okay? All over the square root of x squared minus 4 is z. Okay? Now we can cancel this. Z over z is 1. So we have c squared plus 4, okay, times dz. So ayan, madali na yan. Okay? So this is now equal to, okay, c cubed over 3 plus 4z plus c. And c is equal to, okay, c is equal to square root of x squared minus 4. Okay? So this is equal to x squared minus 4 square root, no? So square root of x squared minus 4 raised to 3 over 3 plus 4 times the square root of x squared minus 4 plus c. Okay? So ito pwede siya as equal to x squared minus 4 raised to 3 halves. Okay? Over 3. And this one, 4 times x squared minus 4 raised to 1/2 plus c. Okay? So this is the final answer. Okay? So ayan. Madali lang ang algebraic substitution. Okay, another example, number 3. The integral of 2x plus 3 dx over square root of 1 plus 2x. Okay, let z equals square root of 1 plus 2x. Okay, squaring both sides, we have c squared equals 1 plus 2x. And solving for 2x, so we have 2x equals c squared minus 1. Dito, differentiating, so we have 2z dz equals 2dx. Cancel yung 2. So we have c dz equals dx. Okay? Now, substitute. Okay? So, sulat ko na lang dito sa baba. So, quantity 2x plus 3 dx over the square root of 1 plus 2x. Again, substitute, no? Substitute. So, we have the integral of, what is 2x? 2x is this, no? C squared minus 1. Okay? Then, plus 3. Plus 3. Then, over square root of 1 plus 2x, which is z. Yan, z. And times dx. May dx pa dyan, no? Which is c dz. Lagyan na lang natin ng ganito. C dz. Okay? So, cancelin natin yung z. So, this is equal to the integral of c squared minus 1 plus 3 or c squared plus 2. Okay? So, c squared plus 2 dz. Okay? So, now, so we have, integrate this. C squared dz is c cubed over 3, our formula. Okay? Plus 2z plus c. Okay? And c is equal to square root of 1 plus 2x. Okay. So c is square root of 1 plus 2x cubed, okay, over 3 plus 2 times square root of 1 plus 2x plus c. O, pwede na yan, no? Or, kung gusto nyo, ganito. Equals 1 plus 2x raised to 3 halves over 3 plus 2 times 1 plus 2x raised to 1 half plus c. Final answer. Okay? So, madali lang, no? Okay, isa pa. Number 4. The integral of dx over 1 plus square root of 1 plus x. Okay? So again, we need a new variable of integration. So we let z be equal to square root of 1 plus x. Kasi nga, the main objective is the removal of the radical by substituting a new variable of integration. Yan ang ating main objective by using integration by algebraic substitution. No? So yung ating new variable dito is z, which is equal to 1 plus x. Okay? Then, let's square both sides. We have c squared equals 1 plus x. Okay? Then, differentiate. So, we have 2z dz equals dx. Correct? Yes. Now, dito na lang. Yan. So, substitute naman, no? This, and this. So, the integral of dx, which is 2z dz, ayan, no? Dx, ayan, over 1, okay, over 1 plus square root of 1 plus x is c. Di ba? Yes. Okay. Now, labas natin yung 2. Constant yan, no? So, 2 times the integral of z dz over 1 plus z. Ito, pwede mong gamitan ng long division. No? So, we have z over or divided by 1 plus c. Yan. Okay, yung denominator lagi nasa labas. No? So, we have c divided by c is 1. 1 times 1 or 1 times z is z. 1 times 1 is 1. Subtract. Okay. Minus 1. So, we have minus 1 over 1 plus z. So, from here, equal to 2 times the integral of 1 minus 1 over 1 plus z times dz. Okay? Or, this is equal to 2 times, ayan, 2 times the integral of, ganito na lang, integral of dz minus the integral of dz over 1 plus z. Okay? Yes. Okay, next. O, paano to? Integral of dz is z times 2. 2z minus. O, ito, ano naman to? Integral of dz over 1 plus z. Alala nyo pa? ln, ano? ln. So, du over u is ln u plus c. Okay? Yes? So, du over u, yes. So, ln of u, or 1 plus z. Okay? Pero may 2 pa to, no? Times 2. So, 2 ln of 1 plus z plus constant of integration, c. Okay? Then, pag okay ka na dyan, balik mo na dun sa original, no? C is 1 plus x. Square root of 1 plus x. So, 2 times the square root of 1 plus x minus 2 times ln of 1 plus square root of 1 plus x plus c. Okay? Pwede na to, no? Ito na yung ating final answer. Yes. Okay. Number 5. The integral of sine na lang. Maganda, no? Sige, sine. Sine tayo. Sine square root of x dx. Yan. So again, the objective is the removal of the radical by substituting for it a new variable of integration. Okay? So we let z, o kahit anong letter pwede, no? C is equal to square root of x. Again, squaring both sides, we have c squared equals x. Differentiating, we have 2z dz equals dx. Ay, napansin, no? Parang pare-parehas lang yung ginagawa natin, no? Isa lang yung procedure. Okay? So, ganun talaga, no? Now, ang gagawin natin, substitute, no? Kailangan substitute dito sa original integral natin. So, the integral of sine square root of x is z. Diba? Okay, z. And dx is 2z dz. Correct? Okay, so pwede nating ilabas yung 2. So we have 2 times the integral of, ilagay mo na lang yung z sa unahan, no? Para hindi ka ma-confuse. Kasi baka ma-c squared mo yan, no? So hindi pwede yan, no? Sin c yan. Sin c dz. So dito ko na lang nilagay, no? Ayan, para sure. Okay? So 2 times the integral of z times sin z dz. Okay? Then, wala kayo napansin dito. That's c times sin c dc. We can solve this by using integration by parts, no? Kung hindi pa kayo, hindi niyo pa napanood yung video ng integration by parts, pwede niyo siyang balikan, no? Or hanapin niyo yung video dito sa ating list na makita niyo naman siya. Integration by parts. Kasi itong c times sin c dz ay masosolve natin by integration by parts. Okay. So, ganito rin. We let u equal z. So, du is dz, di ba? Yes. dv is sin c dz. Integrating this, so we have v equals negative, no? Negative cosine z. Yes, negative. So, sa integration by parts, the integral of u dv equals ub minus the integral of v du, no? Remember this, no? Yes. Okay. So, masasolve na natin tong integral na to, no? So, we have here equals 2 times, ito, ano to? uv, no? uv minus v du. uv minus the integral of v du. Okay? Times uv, u times b. So, minus z cosine c. Okay? uv minus the integral of v, negative cosine, c, du is dz. Okay? So, this is equal to, ano na? So, 2 times negative z cosine c. So, negative 2z cosine c. Yes. So, ito naman, plus na to, no? So, we have plus 2. What is the integral of cosine? Sine, ano? Positive. So, we have sine c plus c. Okay? So, hindi pa tayo tapos dyan. Kailangan natin siya ibalik sa x. No? So, sa x. And z is equal to square root of x. Okay? Square root of x. So, this is equal to minus 2 times the square root of x, cosine of square root of x, plus 2 times sine square root of x plus c. So, this is the final answer.